Hacienda Heights is an unincorporated area lies in the San Gabriel Valley, and 29 minutes, 19.7 miles, located southeast of downtown Los Angeles. Hacienda Heights has a total area of 11.182 square miles, 28.962 square kilometers. Hacienda Heights is in the eastern San Gabriel Valley bordering by City of Industry to the north, City of Whittier to the west, City of La Habra Heights to the south, and unincorporated area of Rowland Heights to the east. Several freeways run close to the city of Hacienda Heights connecting it with the greater Los Angeles and Orange County areas. Interstate 10 runs past the north of Hacienda Heights. The Pomona Freeway, State Route 60, runs past the north region of Hacienda Heights. The San Gabriel River Freeway, Interstate 605, runs past the west of Hacienda Heights. Hacienda Heights is one of the neighborhoods in Los Angeles County with the large percentage of Asian residents. Neighbor area of Rowland Heights is also one of the 10 neighborhoods in Los Angeles County with the largest percentage of Asian residents. There are several famous Asian chain restaurants and stores in Hacienda Heights area, like 4C Restaurant, Boiling Point, JJ Bakery, Delicious Food Corner, Uncle Tetsu, and 99 Ranch Market. Shilai Temple. Shilai Temple, meaning coming west, is the largest Buddhist temple in North America. Shilai Temple was built to serve as a spiritual and cultural center for Buddhism and Chinese culture. The temple was completed in 1988 and encompasses 15 acres and a floor area of 102,432 square feet with beautiful traditional Chinese temple design. Shilai Temple became a landmark of Hacienda Heights. Due to pandemic, visitors need to make an online reservation in order to visit the temple. Bixby Hacienda Plaza. Bixby Hacienda Plaza is located at the intersection between Colima Road and Azusa Avenue on the border with City of Industry and Rowland Heights. Diagonally across the street is the Puente Hills Mall City of Industry. Across the Colima Road is the Hacienda Center. Bixby Hacienda Plaza is anchored by 168 Market Grocery Store, 85 Degrees Bakery, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, Daiso Japan, Panda Express, El Pollo Loco, AT&T, UPS, and many more.